The one thing we want people to know is it's okay if you don't feel okay.
At some point in their lifetime, 1 in 5 people will experience a diagnosable mental health condition like depression or anxiety. The truth is, sometimes the challenges we face from natural disasters, divorce, job loss, school problems, social isolation, or even everyday stress just don't seem to go away. And that can take a real toll on our minds and our bodies. But you don't have to tough it out. And you don't need to wait it out. Because help is right here. For nearly 70 years, Life Management Center has served Northwest Florida with expert mental health services for people from all walks of life.
Taking care of your mental health is a sign of strength, and we know that there are better days ahead.
Our doctors, nurses, counselors, therapists, and other professionals work together to help identify, treat, and even prevent mental health conditions. Each year, we serve more than 10,000 individuals and families across Bay, Calhoun, Gulf, Holmes, Jackson, and Washington counties. Mental health issues change the way we think, feel, and behave, and it's different for everyone. That's why Life Management offers a variety of programs and resources to help people of all ages and circumstances. We provide mental health assessment and evaluation to help you find the right pathway to mental wellness. Child and adult counseling helps people manage and improve everything from common behavioral issues to severe and persistent mental illness. Our family counseling services address a wide range of mental health challenges that affect daily relationships at home. And we offer mental health crisis response for times when access to expert advice or intervention is critical. As part of our commitment to building healthy, thriving local families, Life Management also works with the state of Florida to offer adoption services. While many family doctors can and do help people manage mild mental health, our trained experts are here to get you the specialized treatment and resources that are right for your diagnosis. To get started, schedule an appointment to see how you're feeling and what we can do. There's no need to wait until you think something is a big problem. For those experiencing a critical mental health situation at any time, please call our 24-hour crisis line, where you can talk to someone on the phone or in person.
If mental health is a challenge for you or for someone you love, call us. We're here to help.
Life Management Center, a healthier mind, a better you.